Hey folks, welcome to the Rod Elmore Show. I'm your host, Rod Elmore. Listen, if you have not heard of the Six Sister stuff, man, you're missing out on stuff. You get that? Yep, you're missing out. Listen, I want to share their story with you because this group of ladies, this family, they be cooking some mean meals. But if you have not had the opportunity to hear their story, I'm gonna let you do that.
We are the sisters from sixsistersstuff.com, which is a blog that we started in 2011. Every day we share our favorite recipes, easy recipes that everyone can make at home. Travel tips, fitness ideas, style, basically everything that we're passionate about. We just love sharing our stuff.
Ooh, it looks good.
I'm Camille, and I am the oldest of the six sisters. As the blog kind of progressed, I started looking more at the fitness and health side, and so that's where Six Sisters Strong started, and that's kind of what I run.
Hi, I'm Kristen, and I am sister number 2. I run the affiliate program, so I'm in charge of Amazon and Six Sisters Style.
My name is Elise, and I am the third of the six sisters. My husband works full-time with us now, so each week we send a menu plan with recipes for each night of the week.
Every night.
I'm Stephanie. I'm sister number 4. I take care of our e-commerce and affiliates on Six Sisters stuff. I also get a lot of help from my husband. He's an accountant, so he makes sure that we keep all of our numbers in order.
Hi, my name is Lauren, and I'm Kendra, and we are the youngest of the six sisters.
Hey, Lauren,
I run a lot of the marketing for our company, and I also am the one that communicates with all of the brands that we work with.
And I work with the Facebook page. I answer all the questions and comments, and I also do customer service.
Growing up, our mom always had family dinner on the table.
Our recipes we make as simple as possible so you can spend less time in the kitchen, less time at the drive-thru, and sit together with your family to enjoy a meal together.
Six Sisters Stuff. You need to look them up on YouTube and check out some of their recipes because I'm telling you right now, you will be amazed. I have to ask myself, how do you get siblings to work together? I don't know how to do that, but I'm sure it took some practice and some patience. Anyway, you go over to their channel, make sure you tell them the Rod Elmore Show sent you over there. This is not a promotion. Wait, yes it is. I'm promoting them because I really like their channel. These guys are amazing. Maybe someday I'll get to interview them. Shoot, who knows? Maybe I'll get to cook with them too. I don't know. Anyway, go check them out. Let them know the Rod Elmore Show sent you. Once again, we're so excited that you stopped by. Hey, make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit the bell so that you're notified every time we upload a video. All right, until next time.